How to turn off Meta AI in WhatsApp. So if you want to turn off the Meta AI in WhatsApp, then let's follow the steps. The Meta AI feature in WhatsApp lets you ask the artificial intelligence questions and create images. But while the Meta AI integration in WhatsApp can enhance your WhatsApp experience, at the end of the day, you may decide it's just not for you. Thankfully, if you don't like Meta AI in WhatsApp, you can easily turn it off. First, what you need to do is you just need to simply launch your WhatsApp application. You'll land on your home screen where you'll be able to go to settings, which will be on the upper right. Tap on settings. Now under your settings, you need to go with the option of chat. Once you're under the chat, now here, if you have your AI, like in my region it's not available right now, but if you have Meta AI in your region, then what you need to do is simply go and toggle it off. Here you will have an option of show Meta AI button, so you just need to simply toggle it off. Once you turn off the Meta AI button, then you will not have the Meta AI in your WhatsApp. So that's how you can turn it off, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.